Hey there, it's Becky with Cady Realty. We're out here at 1427 King Rail Lane out in the gorgeous neighborhood of Two Creeks. Can't wait to show you this Providence home, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathroom, nestled on a preserved lot. Why don't you come inside and take a look? Love this open concept where you have your gorgeous kitchen with your stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. It's open to the large living area with tall ceilings and your triple French doors that open to the preserved lot. This is a great neighborhood for young families and families with children. Great amenity center, A-rated schools. Jacuzzi conveys with the property and this gorgeous screened-in porch. Why don't you come check it out?